you need to get around.
Alright, I won't be in your way.
Hey Garrett, as you're coming at me, will you look at my brake lights?
What did you want to know? If they're on?
Yeah, they're working. Excellent, thank you. Keeps turning off the vibrators on these bends and it's getting annoying. It is being turned off. Yeah, second day in a row I go to load sand and they're off, so there's no sand coming out. I'll give Anthony a call, see if something's going on.
Coming around the backside of the sand pile. Hey Andrew, can you build us a great big, like, water pit to drive through somewhere? Okay, never mind.